Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be installing my new high pressure fuel pump, and of course thank you Xtreme-DI for helping and supporting this build. Let's get straight to it. Alright guys, so it's pretty self-explanatory. To get to the high pressure pump, you're gonna take off the sensor, take off this piece right here. You're gonna take this off. We're covering the high pressure. Once you lift this piece right here, you're gonna get, you see that bolt right there? And on the other side as well, you're gonna use a 10 mil for these two bolts right here, and we're gonna pop it right off. Alright guys, we're gonna be installing it right now.
What the fuck? I just pushed this bitch down. I literally just pushed it.
Alright guys, once you make sure it's planted, you're gonna use a long screw, and there's a hole literally right there, you can see it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna align the pump and that little silver plate in between into that hole, and that's what's gonna hold it in place. Guys, we got the pump on, almost. This is your stock one. Sheesh. Now it should look like this. Now we're gonna plug in the sensor and then deal with this metal bracket. Alright guys, that is all, and now we're gonna go move on to the front.
Jeez.
We're getting closer and closer, but this is very fragile. You gotta be very aware and gotta do it slowly, don't rush it. Alright guys, so your high pressure pump should look like this. It was not hard at all, it was super easy. 2 bolts right there, and then 2 more on top. Super easy install. I know some people mentioned you're supposed to do like a half screw on here and there as you're tightening it. I mean, we kind of didn't do it. We just did 2 screws here, then moved on to here, and back and forth. So 2 and 2, meaning like tightening it down. Turn it on and make sure everything's fine.